In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply for a Capital One credit card, step by step. Whether you're looking to build credit or earn rewards, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. First, go to CapitalOne.com on your computer or mobile browser. You can also download the Capital One app if you prefer using your phone. Once you're on the website, search for the credit card you want to apply for. Capital One has different cards based on your credit score and spending goals, so take a moment to compare them. Click on Apply Now for the card of your choice. You'll be asked to fill out a short application with your personal information, things like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and annual income. After submitting the form, Capital One will do a quick credit check. In just a few seconds, you'll usually get a decision: approved, denied, or pending further review. If approved, your new card should arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Then all you have to do is activate it and start using it responsibly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. See you next time.